How to fix object arrays cannot be loaded when allow_equal equals false for imdb.load_data function. I'm trying to implement the binary classification example using the IMDb dataset in Google Colab. I have implemented this model before. But when I tried to do it again after a few days, it returned a value error column. Object arrays cannot be loaded when allow_equal equals false for the load_data function. I have already tried solving this, referring to an existing answer for a similar problem, how to fix object arrays cannot be loaded when allow_equal equals false in the sketch_rnn algorithm. But it turns out that just adding an allow_equal argument isn't sufficient. My code. The error.
Here's a trick to force imdb.load_data to allow pickled by in your notebook, replacing this line by this.
I just used allow_pickle equals true as an argument to np.load, and it worked for me. np.load, path, allow_pickle equals true.
This issue is still up on keras Git. I hope it gets solved as soon as possible. Until then, try downgrading your numpy version to 1.16.2. It seems to solve the problem. This version of numpy has the default value of allow_pickle as true.
Following this issue on GitHub, the official solution is to edit the imdb.py file. This fix worked well for me without the need to downgrade numpy. Find the imdb.py file at .py. Full path for me was c:\lib/anaconda/lib/site packages/tensorflow/python/keras/datasets/imdb.py. Other installs will be different, and change line 85 as per the difference. The reason for the change is security to prevent the Python equivalent of an SQL injection in a pickled file. The change above will only affect the IMDb data, and you therefore retain the security elsewhere by not downgrading numpy.
In my case worked with.
I